Do you feel like a gym membership is the only way to get fit? What if I told you there are ways to stay in shape without ever stepping foot in a gym? Fitness doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, some of the most effective workouts require nothing more than your body and the space around you. In today's video, we're diving into 8 fitness hacks that can help you get in shape without a gym. Whether you're short on time or just prefer to exercise at home, these tricks will fit right into your routine. Let's explore these game-changing fitness hacks that you can start using today. 1. The commercial break circuit. Who doesn't love a good TV show or podcast to unwind? But instead of letting your body rest passively during those commercial breaks, why not turn that idle time into active time? Every time a commercial or podcast transition starts, take it as your cue to get moving. You can easily do 15 air squats or 10 push-ups while you wait for the show to come back. Not only does this help keep your body engaged, but it also sneaks in a workout without any extra effort. Over time, these small bursts of exercise will add up, improving your strength and endurance. By associating a workout with an existing habit like watching TV or listening to a podcast, you can effortlessly stay active throughout the day. It's all about habit stacking, linking an easy habit exercise to something you're already doing, watching TV. You'll notice an improvement in your fitness without having to spend hours in a gym. Plus, it's a great way to keep your metabolism fired up during binge sessions or long podcasts. 2. High-intensity micro-workouts, exercise snacking. What if I told you that just a few minutes of exercise throughout the day could be as effective as one long workout? This is where exercise snacking comes into play. It's all about breaking up your day with 1 to 10-minute bursts of activity, which research shows can be just as effective as an hour-long workout. You can set a timer every hour and do something simple, like jumping jacks or high knees, for just 1 minute. This keeps your body active, boosts your metabolism, and helps prevent the brain fog that often comes from sitting too long. The best part? You don't have to dedicate a specific time for exercise. Just get moving whenever you can. These quick bursts of activity keep you energized, help you avoid sedentary habits, and prevent the lethargy that often comes with a long workday. Plus, it's a fun way to break the monotony of your routine and stay on track with your fitness goals. 3. Use functional resistance, household weights. You don't need to invest in expensive gym equipment to challenge your muscles. Your household items can serve as effective resistance tools. Whether it's using a backpack filled with books for lunges or water jugs, about 8 pounds per gallon, for overhead presses, household items can work just as well as dumbbells or kettlebells. These everyday objects provide the necessary resistance for muscle engagement, helping to build and maintain muscle mass, bone density, and overall strength. Plus, it's cost-effective. There's no need for a gym membership or pricey equipment. These functional movements also mimic real-life activities, making them great for building functional strength and endurance. You can easily modify the weight by adjusting how many items you add to the bag or jug, allowing for progress over time without spending a penny. 4. Optimize dead time for balance. How often do you find yourself standing still, waiting for something to finish, like brushing your teeth or washing dishes? Instead of using that time to just stand there, why not transform it into an opportunity to work on your balance and core stability? A simple yet effective trick is to stand on one leg while performing these tasks, switching legs halfway through. It's an effortless way to engage your core muscles and activate stabilizing muscles around your ankles and hips. Balancing on one leg works smaller stabilizer muscles that help improve your posture, mobility, and overall coordination. Not only will this increase core strength, but it also helps enhance your flexibility and lower body stability, reducing your risk of falls and injuries. What's amazing about this is that you don't need any special equipment, and it only takes a few seconds at a time. As you repeat this habit throughout the day, you'll start noticing improved balance, and soon you'll be able to hold the position for longer periods without breaking form. 5. Take the hard path, NEAT maximization. Want to burn more calories without a gym session? It's all about NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, the energy your body uses for everything besides formal exercise. NEAT includes activities like walking, standing, and even fidgeting. You can maximize NEAT by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking further away from the store, or using a standing desk at home or work. Making small changes throughout your day can increase your calorie burn without adding fatigue or time-consuming workouts. These simple steps, like walking a little extra or standing more often, add up and make a significant impact on your energy expenditure. The key is to create more opportunities to move throughout the day, so your body stays active, even when you're not intentionally working out. This helps reduce the negative effects of sitting for long periods and keeps your metabolism running high. 6. Wall sits during phone calls. Here's a simple hack to get your leg muscles working without thinking about it. The wall sits during your phone calls. The next time you're talking on the phone, lean against a wall and sink into a 90-degree angle, as though sitting in an invisible chair. Hold that position for the entire call, and you'll be building strength in your legs, especially your quads and glutes. This is a great way to squeeze in some strength training while you're multitasking. The longer you hold the wall sit, the more endurance you build, turning a simple phone call into a mini workout. Not only does it help strengthen your legs, but it also builds mental toughness as you work through the discomfort. It's a simple yet effective way to turn dead time into productive exercise without needing to set aside any extra time in your day. 7. The kitchen counter push-up. If floor push-ups feel intimidating or too challenging right now, don't stress. The kitchen counter push-up is the perfect starting point, and it can still deliver great results. While waiting for your microwave to finish or your coffee to brew, try doing 10 to 15 push-ups against the kitchen counter. It's a great way to get your body moving without dedicating extra time to a formal workout. This variation uses an incline, making it easier on your arms and chest while still targeting the same muscle groups. As you perform the push-ups at the counter, you engage your upper body, specifically your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also improving your core stability. The best part? You can incorporate this mini workout multiple times throughout the day, turning everyday moments into fitness opportunities. As you keep practicing, you'll notice improvements in your strength and endurance. With time, you'll feel more confident and be able to transition to regular floor push-ups. Plus, these little bursts of exercise add up quickly, and they won't take away from your daily tasks. It's a simple yet effective hack to build strength, boost energy, and make the most of your routine. 8. Shadow boxing for cardio. Do you want to get your heart pumping without needing any equipment? Shadow boxing is a great way to do it. Simply spend 3 minutes throwing punches in the air. You can throw jabs, crosses, or hooks, and even add footwork for a more dynamic workout. Shadow boxing is not only great for cardiovascular health, but it also helps improve coordination, muscle endurance, and even mental focus. This quick and intense cardio session can be done anywhere and at any time. Whether you're at home, at the office, or even during your lunch break, shadow boxing gets your heart rate up while helping you relieve stress. Plus, it's fun. You can even mix it up with different punching combinations to keep things interesting. And there you have it, 8 fitness hacks that don't require a gym. From sneaking in squats during commercial breaks to maximizing your NEAT. Staying fit doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. These hacks prove that you can work out effectively without expensive gym memberships or specialized equipment. So, which hack are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.